Hi, this is Adam Taylor with the ITS group. Last video we took a look at the LanSchool tech console, got that all set up and running with our security monitor. And in this video we're going to be taking a look at the LanSchool safeguarding console. So the tech console sits on channel 0, which is the admin channel. It monitors all of the staff and all of the students. The LanSchool teacher console sits on a specific channel and it only manages students. So the safeguarding console sits in the middle of those. It monitors all students on channel 0. It can see every student, whether they're in class, out of class, or anywhere in between, but no staff. So we push this out through group policy. If we now log in for the first time, we should hopefully see that push down. And unlike the tech console, the safeguarding console, the teacher console, will load automatically. So this should appear as a system tray icon, assuming I haven't made any mistakes. So I can now left click that, that'll launch the safeguarding console. Just as before, we can go to Administer and Preferences. So we can see we're pointing to the connection server first and foremost. Then we're using local broadcast to pick up our peer-to-peer devices as well. We're operating on channel 0, so we're on our admin channel. We can of course change that to anything we like as well. That's good. If we just take a quick glance at the LanSchool connection server, we can also see that our safeguarding console has checked in, which is great. We knew that already. That just means it's going to be able to pick up all of the server traffic as well as the local broadcast. So a couple of changes that we're going to make on the safeguarding console. The first thing is to clean up this toolbar at the top. So I've set a special profile for safeguarding. This just locks it down to just the tools that we would correlate with safeguarding. Go to Profiles, Safeguarding. Just open that up. There we go. So now we've got a much cleaner tool set with just the things that actually relate to safeguarding. We can also set the blank screen. So rather than using the default blank screen, which is like that, which says locked by safeguarding, we want something a little bit more exciting, a little bit more in line with our school, the school ethos. So let's turn off the blank screen and go to Administer Preferences. We'll go to Teacher. And we'll take off the text message and we'll use an image instead. So that's it for the safeguarding console. Thanks very much for watching. And in the next video, we'll be doing the standard teachers and then we'll look to move everybody into the right rooms. If you did find the video useful, please do like it. Please do subscribe to the channel, it really helps us out. And of course, you can always leave a comment if you have any questions or anything else that's not clear. We'll see you on the next video for the LanSchool teachers. Thanks.